Welcome to my channel Vaira Citadel. In the last 6 videos, we have been solving coding problems with numbers, coding problems with letters and questions based on series like arithmetic series and geometric series, and problems on directions and questions based on relationships. Now, sorry for the gap in my last video and this one due to some unavoidable reason. And in this video, we will learn about problems based on the seating arrangement of people. In this type of questions, usually information is given about the way in which two or more people are seated with reference to each other. And questions will be asked based on this information given. Well, now, before going into the problems, I would like to make certain points clear beyond doubt. The first point being that the seating arrangement may be in the form of a linear row, a horizontal row, or maybe in the form of a circle. Because people may be seated in a row or they may sit in a circle. And the second point is that the word adjacent always means immediately next. So the word adjacent means the very next. And the third important point is that when two statements are joined by the word and, then the statement given after and always refers to the first person mentioned. Now, it will be clear if I give you an example. Suppose I say A is sitting between B and C, and he is a farmer. So who is farmer here? It refers to A, the first person. A is sitting between B and C, and he is a farmer. It's not C who is a farmer, but it is A. So always if two statements are joined by the word and, then the statement given after that, he is a farmer. Who is a farmer? A is the farmer, because A is the first person mentioned. Got it? And the fourth point you should know beyond doubt is that whenever the word who is mentioned, then it refers to the person mentioned immediately before the word who. Now again, example, the same. A is sitting in between B and C. Who is a farmer? Now who refers to C, not A, because who is the person mentioned immediately before the word who? C. So the farmer here is the C, not A. You saw the difference? Okay. So please learn this and remember it. See, we will look into the first problem on seating arrangement. Here the problem says 6 friends Amar, Babu, Charan, Mani, Arjun and Iqbal are seated in a circle facing the center. Arjun is seated left of Mani. Charan is between Amar and Babu. Iqbal is between Arjun and Amar. Who is sitting to the left of, immediate left of Babu? That is the question. Now, the first thing is read the problem carefully. Then draw the circle according to the statements. There are how many statements given? First statement, Arjun is seated left of Mani. The second is Charan is between Amar and Babu. And third statement, Iqbal is between Arjun and Amar. So 3 informative statements are given. So you have to follow each and every statement meticulously without ignoring any statement. And of course, you have got to be very pretty sure about your left and right direction. See, many people make mistakes. Even while driving the car, they will say right, but they They will show their right hand, but they will turn left. Or they will say left, but they will show their hand right side. So if required, please rotate your body, twist your body and see which is your left and which is your right. Because this side of the circle you can do it easily. This side of the circle facing the center, you will know immediately which is left, which is right. But on the other side of the circle, it will be difficult. It will be just opposite of this side. So if needed, you twist your body or rotate. That's what I did when doing this slide. Or you can simply write right, left for each person, which is cumbersome in the diagram. Or whatever way easier for you, do that. And one thing you should do is that you should fulfill all the 3 statements given. You cannot just fulfill 2 or 3 and ignore the third one. Then you will get a different answer, which is a wrong one. And in many cases, you may have to draw the circle. You have to do the problem again, the second time. The first time itself, you may not get the right answer because 2 conditions you will fulfill, but the third condition cannot be fulfilled with that diagram. So in that case, you have to draw it twice. That is why I have drawn it 2 times by changing the position. See here, see first I drew the circle, then I followed this first statement. Arjun is seated left of money. So I put money here. To his left, I placed Arjun. Okay. And now I followed the second statement. Charan is between Amar and Babu. So immediately I put Charan here and Amar and Babu on either side of Charan. And then I looked into the third statement, which says Iqbal is between Arjun and Amar. See, Amar is here and Arjun is here. How can Iqbal come here? Already Mani is sitting quite comfortably between Amar and Arjun. Iqbal cannot come here. So I have to draw once again, trial and error method. So I have to do it again, all over again, shifting this to the right side. Amar, Charan, Babu, I put it on this side of the circle. So in the second circle, I do it once again because the third statement could not be fulfilled with using this diagram. So again I had to draw at another circle. So I started on the other side of the circle. Go to the first one. Arjun is seated left of money. So I put money here. To his left I put Arjun. Okay, first statement is taken care of. And the second one, Charan is between Amar and Babu. So I brought them on the opposite side of the circle. Charan is between Amar and Babu. Alright. And now the third statement, Iqbal is between Arjun and Amar. So now I can very coolly put Iqbal here in between Amar and Arjun. So this is the right way. So sometimes you may get it at the first stroke. If you are not able to get it, draw it once again, changing their position to the right or the left side of the circle. So who is sitting to the immediate left of Babu? Mani is sitting to the left of Babu. So you got it? This is how. So please make sure that you fulfill all the 3 conditions one by one and not just 1 or 2, because if you fulfill only 1 or 2 and ignore the other, then you will definitely get a different answer which is wrong. See the second problem on seating arrangement. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F are standing in a circle. B is between F and C, A is between E and D, F is to the left of D. Who is between A and F? Again, in this problem also 3 statements are given. 3 information is given. What is that? The first one is B is between F and C. And the second one is A is between E and D. And the third one is F is to the left of D. And the question asked is who is between A and F. So I drew a circle here. In the first statement, B is between F and C. So I put B here. On either side I put F and C. Okay. Second statement, A is between E and D. So I put on the opposite side, in the center I put A, on either side I put E and D. Okay. Now the third statement says F is to the left of D. Of course he is to the left but not immediate left. What he meant here is F should be to the immediate left of D. So the third statement I could not fulfill here. So I drew the circle again the second time. So here I changed the position. I followed the same way. B is between F and C. So I brought B from this side of the circle to the left side. I put B here and on either side I put F and C. And A is between E and D. And D is to the left of F is to the left of D. Yes, third condition is fulfilled. So all the three conditions are fulfilled. In the previous circle, I could not fulfill the third statement. So I left it as such and I drew the circle once again. And now the question asked is who is between A and F? So you read the figure. D is seated between A and F. The answer is D. Correct answer is D. See here, usually again the question will be asked in MCQ pattern, multiple choice type. Option A, again A, B, C, D will be there. A, D. A is D. B, C, C, D. So I did not give the option here. I did not want to make it all the more confused. So I am giving you the straight away the answer. D is the correct answer. But you should be very careful in your examination because they will give this correct answer D in again multiple choice option A, B, option B, option C, option D. So there don't make the mistake. The correct answer is D. See your four options where D occurs, then choose the correct option. So I did not do that in order to avoid that confusion. So don't get confused. Be clear and calm. The correct answer is D. See in your options, all the four options where D is happening, where D is occurring. Then choose that correct option. It may be A, it may be B, it may be C containing the D. So choose the correct one. You got my point? Let us see the third problem on seating arrangement, which says Mr. A, Ms. B, Mr. C and Ms. D are seated around a table and discussing their trades. And four statements are given. A, B, C, D. The first four are statements and the last one is the question asked. What the first statement says? Mr. A is opposite to the cook. The second statement says Ms. B is right to the barber. The third statement says the washerman is to the left of tailor. And the fourth D statement says Ms. D sits opposite to Mr. C. Now using these four statements, you have to draw the table. Now because the four people are there and they are sitting opposite, that means they are sitting on a square table and two people on this side, two people on the opposite side. Now the first statement is A is opposite to the cook. So put A here and opposite to that write cook. Don't put B. We do not know B. Whether B is the cook. We do not know it. And the same way, we do not know A is the washerman. Just the statement is A is opposite to the cook. Right there A, opposite to that you put cook. And the second statement B says Miss B is right to the barber. Somebody is sitting right. So only this fellow cook is sitting right to the barber. Because already we have put A here. So he should be the B is sitting right to the barber. So B is already here, right? And he should be barber. This side only barber. And try here, if you put barber here, and to his right side nobody can sit. Already A is sitting here. So here only barber will come. So put here barber. We do not know yet. He is C. Just right there barber. And the third statement, washerman is to the left of the tailor. So who is to the left? This fellow is to the left, but already we know that barber, he is barber. So he cannot be again washerman. So here who is sitting? A is sitting to the left of tailor. So he should be the washerman who is sitting. So put there washerman against A. So third statement is fulfilled. And the fourth one is D sits opposite to C. So put here opposite to C. We know barber. Put here D. And D sits opposite to C. Put here C. This could be either way. D can be here and C. But here the question asks you, what are the trades of A and B? A is here, washerman, and B is cook. See, all the conditions are fulfilled. 4 conditions are fulfilled. So you must see not just one condition or 2 conditions. All the conditions, all the statements given should be taken care of in your drawing. Otherwise, do the rearrangement. Okay. Well, friends, that is all in this video for today regarding seating arrangement problems. In the next video, we shall come up with Venn diagrams. We will deal with what is Venn diagram and what are the different types of Venn diagram and how to tackle problems on Venn diagrams. Until then, bye-bye. Meantime, if you have not subscribed to my channel upon Vaira Citadel, please do so and click the bell icon for further notifications from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.